Hello guys, welcome my YouTube channel. Today I teach how to remove background on JPG image uh, from using Pixelcut.ai. You can see Pixelcut.ai, and you can easily create your account and go to remove background. Click there, and you can simply open your local PC window, and you can select any image you want to remove background on your image. I am simply select this one, this man. I You can clearly see now this man image. Click there, and you can see that image load and remove background. Click there, and click image, and after you can click open editor. You can see clearly now you have PNG image, and you can see, okay, that is the PNG image, and you can easily change background. I mean background color. This is very useful website for create PNGs, and you can select this one and add shadows. You can add shadows. Drop shadows, horizontal, vertical. This is very easiest tool I have ever used. Okay, now I am upload another image to test it. I am choose this book image. Remove background. Type remove background. Simply click and open editor. You can clearly see. And go to back and upload another image also, this one, and type remove background. And okay, click open editor. You can clearly see, and if you want to download it, simply click download, and you can create new folder and my PNG. I'm open. You can clearly see what this is the best of the best website, I mean, and you can upload another image. I'm upload this one ball. I'm type remove background. It's also work. And I add this image. This is very complicated image. I'm type remove background keep woman and remove background from image and simply send. And after click open editor. You can clearly see what am I saying. You can simply download it and rename it PNG woman and open it. You can see how sharp this website. This website has best accuracy rate, and if I have one download left today. If you want to batch upload and remove background, get that website unlimited downloads. When I click get unlimited downloads, you can activate these subscriptions. Go to monthly pro $10 unlimited AI edits, and you can simply choose that your preferences. Okay, thank you my dear friends. Thanks watching my YouTube channel, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'm upload very useful videos every week, and you can simply watch and learn how to use these tools on web. Okay, thank you.